Stop gaslighting yourself when you are manifesting. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how to become aware if you're gaslighting yourself whilst you're manifesting and how to stop this. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, I offer an online course, Manifest Your SP Mastery. This is where I show you step by step how to manifest the exact version of your specific person that you desire. I also offer monthly membership coaching. This is where you can get live coaching with me on a weekly basis to really stay on top of your manifestation game. And finally, I also offer one-on-one coaching to help you manifest anything that your heart desires. You can get access to any of these offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. Stop gaslighting yourself when you are manifesting. Now, this video is for you guys out there that are pretending to feel good, pretending to feel okay when you actually don't. This is called gaslighting. It can also be called spiritual bypassing, when you put on a mask and you pretend that you're fine to yourself. You're like, no, I'm okay. And you just keep affirming for your end. Oh no, me and my SP are in a happy, committed relationship. They love me. I have X amount in my bank account. But really, you are feeling shit. You're feeling triggered and you are not okay. This is a form of gaslighting, and this is very unhealthy. And here is why. A lot of people will pretend to be feeling okay when they are not, because they think that that's how they're going to get their manifestation, that you pretend that you're feeling okay and you just deny it, and instead you just focus on affirming that, oh, me and SP in a happy, committed relationship, I have X amount in my bank account. What happens when you're not being honest with yourself about how you're feeling is that you end up feeling worse. Your anxiety increases and you end up feeling shit until you explode. So today, I want to shine some light on how to stop gaslighting yourself. And more than anything, I want you to understand that actually being honest with yourself about how you are feeling actually helps you to speed up manifesting whatever you are manifesting. So firstly, when you're feeling triggered, this does not mean that you've done something wrong or that you're not getting your manifestation. When you're feeling triggered, it simply means that something has shown up to be resolved within you, to be released, to be transformed. And it's part of the unfolding that is leading you to your manifestation. So let's say that you desire to manifest a version of your specific person that is in a happy, committed relationship with you. And right now you are not together. And so you begin to affirm, me and my specific person are in a happy, committed relationship. Plus you focus on cultivating a really solid self-concept where you know your value and your worth. So you affirm, I am always loved, I am always prioritized, I am always chosen, I am perfect the way that I am. Now let's say that when you're doing this, you're actually feeling pissed off. You're feeling upset, but you're pretending to yourself that you're not upset. You're pretending to yourself that you're actually okay, and you're suppressing those emotions. Well, if you continue down this path, those emotions are going to get bigger and louder until you pay attention. And then you're going to explode. What you want to do instead is you want to acknowledge what you are feeling. Be honest with yourself. Oh, I'm feeling pissed off right now. I'm feeling angry right now. And then you want to respond to this trigger. And the way that you respond to the trigger in a very healthy way is you accept the emotion, but you reject the negative story. So if you're feeling angry, you allow yourself to feel the anger and you don't entertain the negative story that says SP doesn't love me, SP doesn't want me, I'm not good enough, I'm not lovable. You don't focus on that negative story. Instead, you just focus on the emotion. You feel the emotion. Once you feel the emotion, you will feel much lighter. And once you get back to a place where you are feeling lighter in your body, you then make sure that you go back to the end in your mind. That's when you begin to affirm, oh, me and SP are in a happy, committed relationship. I'm always prioritized. I'm always chosen. I have X amount in my bank account. I'm in my dream job. Whatever it is that you're trying to manifest, that's when you go back to the end. So first, you allow yourself to feel whatever is coming up for you. That is how you will transform it. Something else that I want to share is I want to remind you that who you truly are is the I am consciousness. This means you are not your thoughts and you are not your emotions. Your emotions are fleeting and so are your thoughts, but who you truly are is the I am consciousness. Now, something else that I want to add here, because people are at different points on their journey, is that you can absolutely be affirming for your end whilst you're feeling angry. If you're doing this from the I am, from knowing that you're the operant power of your reality, from knowing that you're not your thoughts and you're not your emotions, and so you're not giving meaning to the negative emotion, instead you keep your thoughts in check, although you are feeling angry and you allow yourself to feel the anger, that is absolutely fine. But most people are not there yet, and that's okay. So if you are somebody who doesn't yet identify with your I am, if you don't truly know that you're the operant power of your reality, please stop gaslighting yourself when you are feeling negative emotion. Be honest with yourself about how you're feeling. Understand that your triggers don't mean that something's gone wrong or that you're not going to get your manifestation. Your triggers are there to be released. So feel the emotion, reject the negative story, and then go back to the end. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.